There's a giant reptile near the meadow. Please, send help.
Unit Bravo 1, we have visual confirmation.
Bravo 1 and Bravo 2, move out now.
Come on! Move! Go, go!
Approaching Ridge Farm in 3 minutes. Thermal contact confirmed.
Target visual. It's big.
All units, eyes up. We're moving in.
Not the cows! We need to draw it away! Hey, over here! Come on! Follow me!
Visual confirmed. Target in open field. Hit it again before it moves.
Watch the tail! Get back!
Hold on, boy.
Deploy the nets.
Move! Chain it down!
All teams, synchronize lift. Steady now. Lowering to the mark. Lock the gates.
It's over. For now.
Oxygen levels in Quadrant 4 are fluctuating.
Copy that. Adjusting flow regulators now.
It's waking up. Shut the containment doors.
Containment is breached. The subject is free. It's a perfect morning for a walk.
Wait, what is that sound?
Oh my god, run. Help him!
Target locked. Fire at will.
Move! Get to cover!
Eagle 3 going down. Target locked. Launching nuclear payload.
Visual confirmed. The target is airborne. Radiation levels still climbing.
God help us. Activate all global defense units.
Project Kong Prime. Activation sequence initiated.
He's awake.
Unit Prime. Operational.
Direct hit! The creature's down!
Sir, the mech's reactor is stable.
Don't celebrate yet. Nothing that big stays down for long.
In the silence after war, 2 titans vanished, but a god has awakened.